Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Subaru Forester versus the Toyota RAV4. These two popular compact SUVs are often top choices for buyers seeking reliability, practicality, and adventure. We'll explore their key differences and similarities, helping you decide which vehicle best fits your lifestyle. From performance to interior comfort, we'll cover all the essential aspects. When it comes to performance, the Forester comes standard with a 180 horsepower engine and its renowned symmetrical all-wheel drive, ready for diverse terrains. The RAV4, however, provides a more powerful 203 horsepower engine, with front-wheel drive as standard and all-wheel drive available. In terms of efficiency, the Forester can achieve up to 33 highway miles per gallon, while the RAV4 edges it out with up to 35 highway miles per gallon. For off-road enthusiasts, the Forester offers 7 inches of ground clearance, a slight advantage over the RAV4 6 inches. Inside, both SUVs prioritize comfort and technology. The Forester offers generous cargo capacity, with up to 74.4 cubic feet when the rear seats are folded down. The RAV4 provides a still impressive 69.8 cubic feet of maximum cargo space. For infotainment, the Forester features an available 11.6-inch touchscreen, while the RAV4 offers an available 10.5-inch display. Both vehicles also come equipped with advanced driver assist safety suites, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Considering overall value, the Forester typically starts around $31,415, notably including standard all-wheel drive across all trims. The RAV4 generally begins at approximately $31,250, with front-wheel drive standard. Both offer competitive warranties, providing 3 years or 36,000 miles of basic coverage. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize standard all-wheel drive and off-road prowess, or slightly better fuel economy and a powerful base engine. Be sure to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.